Will daily use sentences. I will go to the store tomorrow.
I will go to the store tomorrow.
She will call you later.
She will call you later.
He will finish his homework soon.
He will finish his homework soon.
We will meet at 5 o'clock.
We will meet at 5 o'clock.
They will arrive next week.
They will arrive next week.
You will love this new book.
You will love this new book.
I will eat breakfast at a.m.
I will eat breakfast at a.m.
She will graduate next year.
She will graduate next year.
He will drive me to the airport.
He will drive me to the airport.
We will have a party tonight.
We will have a party tonight.
They will move to a new house.
They will move to a new house.
I will study English every day.
I will study English every day.
You will enjoy the movie.
You will enjoy the movie.
She will sing a beautiful song.
She will sing a beautiful song.
He will play soccer tomorrow.
He will play soccer tomorrow.
He will travel to America next week.
He will travel to America next week.
They will get married soon.
They will get married soon.
I will buy a new mobile phone next week.
I will buy a new mobile phone next week.
You will pass this tough exam.
You will pass this tough exam.
She will make a delicious cake.
She will make a delicious cake.
He will fix my bike.
He will fix my bike.
We will go to the beach tomorrow.
We will go to the beach tomorrow.
They will win the match.
They will win the match.
I will read a book tonight.
I will read a book tonight.
You will feel better soon.
You will feel better soon.
She will start a new job.
She will start a new job.
He will help me with my homework.
He will help me with my homework.
We will have a meeting at p.m.
We will have a meeting at p.m.
They will celebrate their anniversary.
They will celebrate their anniversary.
I will learn how to swim.
I will learn how to swim.
You will find a great job.
You will find a great job.
She will make a presentation.
She will make a presentation.
He will take a picture.
He will take a picture.
We will start going to the gym soon.
We will start going to the gym soon.
They will have a baby by next year.
They will have a baby by next year.
I will write him a letter to apologize.
I will write him a letter to apologize.
You will receive a confirmation email.
You will receive a confirmation email.
She will draw a perfect picture.
She will draw a perfect picture.
He will play the guitar and party tonight.
He will play the guitar and party tonight.
We will have fun on a picnic.
We will have fun on a picnic.